Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the latest update which have come in the Galaxy Samsung On7 Prime, and let's find out what are these updates and how it's going to improve our phone. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video. So this is Galaxy On7 Prime and let me talk about the latest update. So let me go to the settings first and let me show you what kind of update is showing up. So over here it shows download updates manually, and let me press over it and it's checking for updates right now. So for me, I've already checked, it's around 114 MB update which has come in this device. So let's just update has to become, and let me show you what kind of software updates is going to show to us. So it's little bit of a time, so let me just zoom in into the screen and let me so this is the update which is showing up in the phone over here. Let me zoom in per page to you and let me come closer to you. So here it says the version G611FDD-U14RZ4, and it's the sizes of this update is 114.32 MB. What's new in this update is talk about the security of the device has been improved. A software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvement, improved or new features of the software update, and further improvement to performance. To get the best of your device, please keep your device up to date. So this is kind of the standard message which you got in every phone, the same kind of update which we got it in the Samsung J6 update as well. And for more information you can visit this website to know what kind of more updates in this. So it says that connect to the Wi-Fi network and download this update for free. So let me put it into download mode, and as you can see it has started to the download. So the download has been done, and over here says this install now or install overnight or later. So let me click on install now, and it's, as you can see, it says that preparing to update. And let me reboot the system and let me show you that what kind of new updates has been employed in this phone, or whether we are able to see any kind of update in this phone or not. As you can oversee, this phone is getting updated. Is saying installing system update, the blue screen of Android which is going to be updated in this phone. And let's reboot it phone, let it reboot, and let's see what kind of update this phone is again going to show to us. So over here now say that device has been updated, and let me show you some of the things which we have got it in new in this phone. So let me zoom in a bit and let me go over here. So the two broadways have been added into this phone, which is first one is Daily Hunt, which is for, I think, for your news, and another broadway which is added is of Prime Videos. So the Samsung in this update also is adding up the bloatware. So this is not expected from the Samsung that they will be adding the bloatware into their phone. So let me go to the camera and let me show you what kind of updates is been showing up over here. So this is the camera, and over here I am able to see a first kind of a screen, or you can say a floating button. From the help of that I can able to take pictures. So let me take up some pictures over here and let me show you. So this is the pictures from the back camera. So you can see the clarity is okay with this device in the artificial light. And let me take some of the selfies and let me show you. So over here in the selfie mode it says the selfie focus, which is actually able to adjust the selfie on my head or anywhere I want to focus. So let me click over with here, and so it's taking up a bit of time right now while taking up the selfie with the new update. And you can see the blurry image while I was talking, and it not be able to click a very clear picture in this. So let me just put it like this, and let me just take selfie again. So with selfie focus the camera is not so much performing. You can able see the blurry image over here. So with this update many new features have been come, and let me do the testing of this phone with the camera and let me come up with show you that what kind of the updates have been this phone is showing to us and what kind of things is coming to us. So that's all the thing which has come on this update. Even the adding of the bloatware is not expected from the Samsung because many phones are offering out the same. Whether you want to update any app or want to promote any app, this is the update that the Samsung is offering to us. In the later of the video or in the next video, I'm going to do the vlog system and test the camera in the dark mode and in the sunlight, in the artificial light. So after this update, whether the camera settings of this phone has been improved or not, we're going to find out in my next videos. So I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, do comment below. What next you want to able to see in this Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. And please share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.